we are very close to the Vatican. Do not take too much stuff with you. Just your cameras, water bottles maybe. The weather looks clear, so I don't think you'll need umbrellas.
Jerkin?
ಒಂದು ತೋಳ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ
Warren. Warren.
ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ
Warren.
ಇಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಛತ್ರಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲಗೇಜೇ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ಸೀಟಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅವರ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾರನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್
Very busy.
ವೆರಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೋಡ್
Okay, so this is the main river of entire Italy. You may say
What?
Italy ki Ganga. This
What?
river is Tiber River. Tiber, T-I-B-E-R, or you may say Tiber. Tiber, anything is good. Main river of Italy. It's happening.
ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಬಿಡು ಟೀಬರ್
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡಿ
You stay near the shore.
Possible. Not possible. 1 hour.
3 p.m. Because
we are in Vatican City near Tiber River. So last trip of the day and last country of our trip, Vatican City. It is just below 1 square kilometer and the population is only 900
okay,
something.
so as soon as we arrive at the parking place,
And one of
follow
the
me.
richest countries.
Do not waste your time in shopping. Our main target is in the church because it's the biggest church in the world. Many people come here to see the basilica from inside. So it's a free entry. We need not to pay anything for that. So it's always very crowded. So once we go there, we'll join the queue straight away and we'll hope that it won't take us long to enter in the church. Maximum we can wait, it's till 3 p.m. Okay.
Roma. ఇక్కడ సిటీ దొడ్డి ఇన్సిడెంట్ రాజీ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ Europa coach travels.
Okay, the very important thing is that once you enter in the basilica, after entering,
Start.
immediately on your first right, you will find a sculpture all in white color marble. Mother Mary holding a dead body of Jesus Christ. That is the world famous Pieta by Michelangelo. When he was 18 years old, he created it. He created 3 Pietas during his lifetime. 3. 2 he could finish. Last one he could not finish because he was very old then. So first ever Pieta which he created when he was 18 years old. So in this Pieta, you will see Mother Mary is young and Jesus Christ is old. Okay, usually it's otherwise. Usually mummies are old and children are young, right? But in this Pieta you will see Mother Mary looks very young, but Jesus Christ looks old. Because when Michelangelo born, he lost his mother when he was 3 years old. So he could not see his mother growing old. Okay, he could not see his mother aging. So he used to think that moms kabhi budi nahi hoti. That's why when he created the first ever Pieta in his life, he created Mother Mary young and Jesus Christ old. क्योंकि Jesus Christ की जितनी भी तस्वीरें उन्होंने तब तक देखी थी या जहाँ पर भी Jesus Christ को देखते थे, Jesus Christ हमेशा old ही नजर आते थे. So that's why in his first ever Pieta, Mother Mary looks young, Jesus Christ looks old. When he created second Pieta, when he was 45 years old, he rectified his mistake. In that Pieta, Mother Mary looks old, Jesus Christ looks young. And then he again created third Pieta, but unfortunately he could not finish. The other 2 Pietas, one of them are in Florence Museum, one of them are in Milan Museum. And third one, the first ever Pieta which Michelangelo created is here in St. Peter. So when you go inside, on your right you will see the Pieta.
Only place of Christians.
Okay, on your right you can see St. Angelo's Castle, St. Angelo's. Previously it was a royal family residence. Royal family used to stay here. And people say that this castle is connected to St. Peter's Church. They have an underground tunnel which connects St. Peter's Church and St. Angelo's Castle. In case if there is any threat to Vatican, or in case if there is any threat to Pope can simply reach to the castle safely. That's why both these places are interconnected through an underground tunnel.
The Warren start from day 1 from here, I think.
Yeah. They started it today. Yesterday people arrived. Today they started it.